Hey folks, back with another video here. I'm just going to dive right into this one. Again, please like the YouTube channel if you can and the videos. But here's today's topic. I ran into this the other day. I think I've run into it before. When you have a table and you want to sum percentages at the bottom, I'll show you. It doesn't do it. Watch this. Here's a table. This has agents. This is just stuff I just made up. The total deal on, these are commission records, on the total commission for the whole deal, and then the split allocation between the agents, say 40-60. Well, we want to sum this up. I'm going to be right back and tell you the deal, what's going on, what I think's going on, and a workaround. So give me a minute here. Okay, folks, let's figure out what's going on with this sum percentage stuff. I'm going to go back. This is the one that doesn't sum. And let's go look at the field. That's right here. Agent allocation. This is a standard number field that we tell it to be a percentage, one of those options. Use it regularly. So here it is. And let's go to that view. Let's go here. Here's that commission record, or the commission records. Allocations, let's go to that field. And I've enabled inline editing on this. And I've also told it to sum at the bottom, right? That's what we want. And I told it not to sum this total commission because it's the same for the whole deal, so that doesn't get summed. But this is our allocation one. And it's got it, allow summary. It wants to behave, it wants to do what we're asking it. Yes, allow summary. But it's not doing that. Go back here. Let's zoom in. Okay. So it's not giving us the sum. I don't know why. I talked to support about this. They had some suggestions. One of the reasons I'm doing this video. They said it might be because this percentage symbol's in there and it's getting confused. There's definitely something wrong on Knack's end, which they'll eventually fix. But the symbol here, I don't know about that because there's a dollar symbol here and it can do that. So my point is, it's not working. If you need it summed, your percentages, there's a workaround, and I'm going to show you this. Let's go back to data. I did another table, same fields, but a different setup on allocation. Agent allocation. You may know what I'm getting at. No decimals. What I wanted, instead of telling it to be a percentage, I said do a custom one and put a percentage after it. So that's how that works. Now note, when you're entering this now, you enter it as not a decimal. If it's 50%, you enter 50. That's how it behaves. And then you have to, this agent commission calculation, we're going to have to divide it by 100. And that'll get us the right number. So let's check out this one. Go to Live App. This is this new page with the different calculation and agent allocation. Okay, so now we got it. 40%, 60% equals 100. One of the reasons my client wants this that we're dealing with, when people are entering these commissions on a sale, he wants it front and center that it equals 100 because it's supposed to equal 100 every time. So that works. That's a decent workaround. I'm going to mention a few things. For my particular client, we have scattered throughout this app the regular percentage where they're putting 0.4, 0.6, and it turns into percentage. And now for this particular one, for us, if he's insisted on having the sum, we're going to have to put in integers. That's not a good user experience to have it different for different points. Something's going to go wrong. And let me show you one other thing that they're going to have to work on too. Sorry if I'm getting all over you, Knack. Watch this. Go to records. Let me make this bigger. Just watch this. This is the one that's a regular percent. We're telling it to be a percent, 50. If I click on this, it gives me the opportunity to see what that is, 0.4. And I can edit, I know, right there. But watch the live app behavior. Let me make sure I got the right one. test percentage. That's the first one. Now, when I inline edit here, I click it, it gives me a 0. But in the back end, when you click, it gives me the opportunity to see what it was. It's giving me a 0 because it's rounding down. You look at the 60, it gives you a 1. Now, I could make it 2 decimals and tell it to give me 2 decimals. And that would solve that. It's going to allow me to put that in just like we saw, but then it's going to give me 2 decimals. I don't want 2 decimals. It just looks weird. I don't have to take a percentage out 2 decimals for a commission rate. So there was the issue. There is a workaround that I just showed you. And here's a little static on the side dealing with this percent stuff. That's what I got, folks. Thanks.